Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's been exactly 3 weeks. It's December 4th since we started the propagation on these fig trees, and we're going to look in 3 weeks. Now this just gone crazy. Now some haven't gone quite so crazy, but a lot of them they've definitely got the roots coming to the edge, and this is normally when I pot them up. But this particular variety, this is Black Mission. And what I'll do, I just put me a little bit of stuff in there, and I'll put my little plant right there, and I'll just put a little bit of my mixture here. Now this is my 3-part mixture with peat moss, wood chip compost, and perlite, a third of each. So it's easy, just equal parts of each of the three. And what I'll do is I'm just going to pot these up, and the mixture's moist, and so it makes it where it keeps its pattern. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hopefully get this to come loose, because it's got a lot of roots on the side, which makes it harder for it to come out. There she comes. But I'm just going to stick this off in here, and you can see it's just that simple. But anyway, if you want to continue to follow along on this journey of propagating figs and some of my other trees, just if you're not subscribed, well, of course, hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and share it. It helps my channel. And of course, as always, enjoy your garden.